Hey guys, it's me, Amber, from Chandler by Design. That's us. Do you want to say hello? Hold on.
Hello, I'm Luke eating popcorn.
That's Luke, he's eating popcorn. Wah, wah. So today we have a little bit of a different type of video for you. I'm trying to be focused. Can you see me? I can't see you, so I can't see what you see. So we are going to be using the table saw. The table saw is one of the tools that we were asked to kind of showcase how you use it. We are going to be cutting down, I guess you would actually, the term is ripping a large piece of very thin plywood, and I will be doing a video of like the full, like I'll show you what I eventually made. But for right now, we're going to cut down a large piece of plywood. I'm going to have to put the camera, however, way up high in the ceiling almost so that you can see the whole thing because it's a large piece of plywood. Let's talk about the tool that we're using. We're using the table saw. I'm going to turn you around. Okay, so this is the tool that we're using. It is the table saw. It is out of focus. Of course. Oh, hey, there we go. This is the table saw. This right here is what we call, what do we call this?
The fence.
The fence. This is the fence. We're gonna come around here. I'm gonna show you from the front because I was showing you the back. Okay, here it is. There we go. So that's the fence. Here, right here, you are looking at the blade. That's the blade. It's sharp. That's a sharp picture, and that is a sharp blade. Right here is the fence. It moves by that handle right there. And it holds the wood or whatever you have that you're cutting, probably wood, up against it so that you can make a very good straight line. It is your cheat sheet, basically. Along the front, you will see there are numbers. There we go. Numbers. These numbers help you calculate where you want to put the fence so that you have the right measurement. So we're cutting a foot. Whoops. We are cutting a foot off of this piece of wood, and you can see our red line marks up against the 1 foot mark. So that means we have measured twice and cut once. So anyways, this is the table saw. My handy dandy assistant will be helping me with this. Actually, the guy that actually really knows what he's doing is helping me with this. So anyways, I'm gonna let you see it. Bye. Okay, safety first. Ta-da! So we are going to, do you see Delbert back there? He's not gonna duck. You're never gonna see his face. Oh, there he is. Yay! Okay, so we are going to cut 1 foot off of the length of this plywood. communicate with the table saw. The wood that we got was so thin that it's actually going underneath the fence right now. So we're having to figure out how to hold it up against the fence so that we can have a straight cut. That's what we're doing right now. Because I was pulling it this way. Did you see that? I was having problems. Let's talk about it. So, did you see me having some trouble there at the very end? Let me tell you what was happening. The saw itself is perpendicular, parallel. It's 90 degrees. It's all right, right? You like my joke? I'm about to sneeze because there's sawdust in the air. And in my eye. There's sawdust in my eye. And I apologize for my mascara getting everywhere. But seriously, it just stopped raining. The humidity's like 90%. It's great. So I was having a problem because whenever I was pulling, pretend there's a blade between my two fingers. When I was pulling the board, the board is really flimsy. It's not even 1/4 inch. It's like almost a 1/4 inch. Like not even. Super flimsy, super like wavy. And so it's easily pliable, I guess. And so basically what I was doing was when I was pulling the board through the blade, I was pulling it this way. And it was giving the blade a hard time. So whenever I decided, oh, let me straighten up, boom, and pulled it out like that, it came out fine. So that's how to use a table saw. It's for long cutting, like when we were doing the length of the plywood. And if you have several smaller pieces that you need to cut, instead of remeasuring and cutting every time with a chop saw or like a circular saw, you can make those cuts with the table saw. Let me show you something else that's really cool. This little doohickey, you put it like this, and so when the wood goes in, it's like this. So when the wood goes in, it can't kick back out because these spikes, those spikes right there, yeah, they catch it. This is, I don't know what it's called, but basically it goes over the blade so that you can't like touch the blade. And then they have this, and this is to push the piece of lumber that you were getting to push it if you don't have help. I like to use help. I usually aim the help whenever we're doing table saw and cutting. So That's the table saw.